Hi Emily, thanks very much indeed for the question with regards your Beko BBIMA13300XC. You're saying that the fan oven element, the fan oven is tripping the electricity, but you're also telling me that when you turn it to grill, it's tripping the electricity. This may be a problem with one or multiple elements. Now what I've done for you is I've put the wiring diagram and the workshop manual of your model of cooker on a page for you, and the link is in the description below. But I wanted to explain the only way you're going to be able to test this, because not everyone has the correct equipment for testing elements, because what you actually need for testing elements correctly is an insulation tester. And I do not expect everyone to own one of these because they cost over £400 to buy. So the easiest way for you to do this, and you do need someone that is competent with electrics before actually proceeding, you need to disconnect the cooker from the power supply. Take the back of the cooker off. For example, if we're looking to check the fan oven element, disconnect both wires to the fan oven element, making sure that you take a photograph of which way round the wires go, because you don't want to get it wrong. Then tape those wires up so they're safe. In other words, not touching anything metal in the cabinet. Then reconnect the cooker and try again. The cooker will function as it normally does, but on the fan oven setting, all you'll hear is the fan motor running. Of course, you've disconnected the element so you won't have any heat. If it's not tripping the electricity at this point, then you've found the problem. It's your fan oven element that's faulty, and it is the most common to go wrong. If it's still tripping the electricity, you're going to have to do the same procedure with the base element and the grill element. But do remember that the grill element is a dual circuit grill. This means that it has two circuits, 1100 watt on the inner circuit and 1100 watt on the outer circuit. So it is actually two elements built into one. Now what I've done for you is not only put the workshop manual and the wiring diagram on the page for you, and the link is in the description, I've also got you exploded views of your machine. And at the very bottom of the page, you will find that any of those exploded diagrams that you can see of your cooker have reference numbers. Match those reference numbers up in the list at the bottom of the page, and that will take you through to the genuine part number, which is a clickable link. I've also added some videos on the page for you to assist you with any repairs with regards Beko cooker. On my YouTube channel, I must have nearly 30 odd videos on different component changing videos, diagnostic videos, and many other videos to assist you with your cooker. There are also the wiring diagrams, and that will show you how the power comes into the cooker, but you do need someone that knows what they're looking at to understand it. I hope this helps you. I'm working remotely, as I said, at the moment, and I'm actually at the Loire Valley, not far away from Nantes. So I found a very nice place to park up and catch up on all these customer questions. I hope this article helps you. Please feel free to contact us if you have any further questions. Thanks for contacting us.